Hi and welcome to another Ruko school video. Today I'm gonna make an ultimate Ruko pinning kit where I can combine all my 5-pin, 6-pin and D12 pins as well as driver springs and a random pin box for when you pick something that's the wrong size and you are not sure where to put it back. You can put it in the I'll deal with you later bin. So the idea is here that the first 20 are gonna be for the 5-pin. Not all 20 sizes are actually being used in a normal rekey because these first ones are too short to even reach your line on a modern 5-pin core with a key blank in. And these last ones are actually gonna poke out even without a key in it, so they're a bit useless, and so are the first ones, but now everything is here, and should they be needed for something, I know where to find them. And then we have a full row of the 6-pin, the 9 sizes, and there's an empty one at the end, so it might be the springs, or it might be one of the I'll deal with you later bins. And there's an empty one here as well, so it could be some random screws and tail pieces and things like that, so if you drop something during rekey, you don't have to crawl around on the floor while you're in the middle of rekey. You can just grab something from here and get on with the job. And we have a last one here, so most likely also for springs or something. We'll see what happens when we get through it. And the last 13 are over here, are the D12 pins, and these 5 are the 5 standard driver pins that we use for all of them. So I thought I'll just open some plastic bags and we can do a state of the pinning kit as we fill this up. So yeah, let's find some pins and get it filled. These are 7 code 7. So you get them in here. It's so nice to have everything in one place. So, and these are size 8. These are driver pin S4. It's really nice how you can just take one of these out if you want to sit with a rekey, then you don't risk dropping your pins between them, so you can take those out that you actually need. And these are size 9. Let's get them in here. And these are S7. These are the longest of our drivers. We only use those for the 9 code pins. I mentioned the different sizes in one of my previous videos, so go check that out. And these are size 6 drivers. And as we know, we only use that type of drivers. We don't have any Christmas trees or gin bottles or anything. We only use these ones. They are our standard drivers. So let's see what I have here. These are S5 drivers. These are the ones that we only need for the D12. So I think I bought an extra pack of those. I decided to get some fresh pins for some of these because I was running low on some of the pins and I thought let's just start fresh. And then there's no chance of some random pins getting misplaced and end up in the wrong. So now we're gonna start all fresh. So these are code 1. These are the longest of the 6 pins. There we go. These are the S3, they are the shortest of the drivers. Only to be used with the number 1 and 2 pins, because otherwise if you have a number 9 cut you can't pull the key out if you use the wrong driver. So what else is here? Let's see what we have. Size 4. Size 6. Size 3. And finally some size 2. And let's get some of the 5-pin stuff. So these are called A. We're sure we don't drop any in the wrong. They only have 0.3 millimeter step, so it's a bit harder to see if you get some of them mixed up. So let's number 5C. Code C. Code D. And as you can see now, we actually start to put some numbers next to these letters, and well, there are already some number 4 pins in here, so that's not good. And these are size E. I need to take G from my previous kit, and actually a lot of these are, I had so many that I'm just gonna transfer from my, as you can see my old kits use the same containers, so and for some reason I and J are actually one size. I'm not sure if people back in the days had so terrible handwriting that I wasn't sure what you were writing, that you needed to simplify things. And and as you can see now, Q is actually missing as well. So yeah, not sure why, but that's just the way it is. See? Here are the backs of U and V. They have never been unpacked. Shows that it's not pins that you are actually using. But yeah, when we're making a complete pinning kit, we are putting them all in. So that should be that part taken care of. Now we just need to find some D12 pins. So we take them from the regular kit as well. So A, get out your last one. B, D, E, F, oh, get out, there we go, H, J. I can see I'm short of those, I need to buy more. Note to self. L, N, T, R is here, U, and W. And then put some springs here. So yeah, that's it. My new pinning kit for normal, daily rekey of standard domestic cylinders. All for this one. Have a nice day.